Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly for Tribe. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. Now, let's go ahead and hop right in. So, if we notice here on the monthly, we don't have a lot of price action to work with. So we're going to go ahead and plot our monthly swing low here and go ahead and hop to the weekly. Now, here in the weekly, what do we notice? We can see how price is respected our swing low here with multiple long wicks reacting to the level. And we can also go ahead and plot a key level here on the weekly chart, as we see multiple reactions acting as resistance to this key level. Now, if we want to go ahead and plot most recent price action, we can go ahead and say this is our most recent level of support, as we see multiple long wicks holding the key level acting as support. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.